When using SOLIDWORKS Simulation 2020, the first thing you would notice are the blue triangles beside the parts list on your simulation tree. This represents the quality of the mesh you are using, either high or draft quality mesh. High quality elements are more accurate, while draft quality elements solve more quickly. In SOLIDWORKS 2020, you can change the quality of the mesh for each part of your 3D model. Select and right-click a part or multiple parts to change from draft quality to high quality or vice versa. You can also change the mesh quality from the Create Mesh command and select the Mesh Quality tab. This new capability will help you speed up the calculation time on areas that are not significant to the study. Only studies with all solid elements can take advantage of this functionality. Draft quality elements will have an orange outline and high quality elements will have a blue outline.